Let's check out the channel EQ. This is a new effect that was added in Ableton Live 10.1 and above. It's a very musical EQ designed for immediacy. And as you can see, we don't have much controls. First, we have a high pass filter here at 80 Hertz. And we have 3 EQs, 3 filters, lows, mids, and highs. And they do change as you boost them, as you turn them down. For example, the low frequencies, when you boost them, they will boost around 100 Hertz. And when you attenuate them, they will attenuate a larger, a higher frequency. The mids, here we have the mid filter center point and the highs. And we also have an output knob for the overall output after the processing. So let's reset the EQ. I have a sound here, just a sample. Let's adjust it, and very quickly we can get a much more open sound. Let's put some highs. Some high pass. Let's test it without and with. Nice, so that's the channel EQ, a very simple, very quick EQ to use. New device added in Ableton Live 10.1.